Hi folks, I'm just doing a quick video on my iPad here real quick because my cell phone died. All I've been doing is sleeping. That's it. I literally asked the doctor today when I saw her and the team. I said, the only thing that I have to complain about really is how much I sleep. Like, I have been doing nothing but sleep. I sleep, wake up, eat, go to the bathroom, back to sleep. That's all I've done since the transfusion, and that's all my body's let me do. And they said that's very normal. Now, what I find weird about this sleep is like, I know you heard me from my prior videos talking about when I would get like hollow sleep after I got chemo or something like that. Like, and I'll just real quickly explain what I mean by hollow sleep. That's like when you sleep for like say 4 hours and you don't feel like you slept anything. It just doesn't, it never feels like you went to sleep. Or you went to sleep and you slept all night long and woke up the next morning tired as all get up. You know, that's hollow sleep is what I call it. And you get a lot of that when you do a lot of the chemo types. You get what they call that hollow, I call that hollow sleep. I haven't got any of that. So like these last couple days, I've slept and slept and slept and slept some more. And to be honest with you, yeah, I haven't. I've literally gotten good sleep every hour. Now, I don't have a choice of whether I'm sleeping or not right now. My body is like, hey, Shawn, yeah, power down. That's I have no choice. It's just going to sleep like right now. It doesn't care where or what I'm doing. It doesn't matter. But when I do sleep, I feel like I slept. It's really weird. Like, I'm not getting hollow sleep at all, like I would after normal treatment or like a chemo treatment. So that's different. That's taking some getting used to. It kind of weirds me out a little bit. I guess that's what like normal people feel like when they sleep, I guess. Or healthy people. I don't even remember. It's been so long, I don't remember what it's like to be healthy. But I would assume that that's what it feels like. I don't know. Kind of made me nervous. Nothing really went on today. Like I said, just sleep, and sleep. And after I make this video, I'm going to go back to sleep. It's just the way it's been. I don't have anything on the wall yet to do or to say. Yeah, that's it. That's all I got. The doctor said that I'm responding remarkably well to the transplant. I've had no... I'm basically out of the danger zone, is what they call it. Like so many hours. I think it's like 8 hours, 6 to 8, then 24 hours after an infusion. With that is when you have like a major life-threatening reaction to the treatment. It'll reject it. You can go into like anaphylactic shock super quick, and that's the least of your worries. You know, your body can start attacking your own organs. It's just insane what can happen. Like, you don't really want to know. But I'm past when that normally hits on the timeline. So at least I'm out of that danger zone. I'm still not out of the woods yet. Like, I think for another week or two, I could have like an episode or a rejection. So continue to be monitored, you know, and try to, if that is going to happen, try to catch it, you know, a little bit ahead of time with the signs and symptoms, or get a good jump on it when it does happen, one or the other. So pretty sure that's their plan. So really, I'm just sleeping. Once I'm done with this sleeping stuff, I'll be able to just, you know, get back to what I'm doing. I've been learning, like I said, computer programming, just picking up a new skill. I bought a book on Amazon to learn C++ computer programming language. Why? Because I don't have an answer for why. I don't have an answer at all for why, but I was just like, you know what, I'm going to learn this. I'm going to pick up a new skill. I'm going to be sitting here, you know, I had the time, I'm going to try and do something. And yeah, so I tackled that, and I'm having a good time doing that. It's challenging. It's not easy. Sometimes it's not fun at all, but for the most time, it's actually rather enjoyable. It's like learning a different language to speak, only you're making a machine speak, or, you know, you're making a machine do something, you know, you're talking in a machine language, you know, so it's pretty neat. I've been working on that when I am awake a little bit, you know, and trying to tackle that new skill. And then I really haven't played like any computer games or anything like I thought I was going to. I haven't, honestly. I just haven't really had the energy to dedicate to that yet, I guess you could say. So I have nothing to report on that front. There's really nothing. Let me see if I can flip my screen around. Yes, I can. I know how to do this now. There's really nothing hanging on my stripper pole except for some IV fluids there, and that's a big bag of IV fluids. And I only got one. I graduated. I only got one pump left. So I've graduated and I've moved on. Unless something goes wrong, and then that thing fills up quick. That's just the IV stuff, you know, that they put in me. So I'm just basically sitting here getting fluids and trying to eat food and bracing for impact to see if this is going to flare up any issues or start create and start any new issues. I mean, we're just looking, and they're going to start doing like the tests and everything to see what the cells are actually going to, you know, what they're doing inside my body. You know, where they all are they attacking, like, you know, a specific tumor, like, you know, what they're doing. Basically, they're going to try to look into what they're doing. How they do that, I have no idea. But I'm sure I'm going to learn when that approaches, which is here in the near future. I'm going to learn how that works and how they can do that, because that sounds pretty cool. I didn't know that they can, you know, I knew that they can put them in your body. I didn't know that they could track them everywhere. I didn't know that. That's pretty cool. So yeah, that'll be a whole new learning experience. And that whole test phase for that, I'm sure, is going to be all new. So that's kind of exciting. But other than that, folks, I'm just hanging out, getting plenty of sleep, plenty of rest, hydrating best I can, and just staying positive. That's all I'm doing right now. Just waiting to see what this is gonna do. So, all right, everyone, you guys have a good night. I will talk to you again here very soon. All right, take it easy. Bye bye.